Hello friends, welcome to HTML tutorial series. I double click on the first page.html. I right click once again on the first page.html. Open with the notepad. In this tutorial, I am going to discuss marquee tag. Here in the body, I am going to write marquee marquee text. I have written some text here. File, save, go to browser, refresh. You can see that marquee text got displayed in the browser. I am going to add marquee tag to it. Now marquee tag is a paired tag, so definitely we will be having one opening tag, one closing tag. Then marquee tag is a block level tag. It takes the entire width of the parent tag. So let's begin. I'm going to add marquee, marquee opening tag just before the M. After this T, I am going to write closing marquee tag. File, save, go to browser, refresh. Check this out. Our text is moving from right to left. It is scrolling, guys. It goes slowly to the left and it comes from other side. You can see that, right? Let's discuss more about marquee tag. I'm going to copy this from here. I paste it down. We are going to use an attribute called as BG color. We can apply the background color for the marquee also. You can see the background color is white by default. I am going to just say file, save, go to browser, refresh. You can see that we have two marquee text scrolling. Here I am going to add BG color color and I give the color as maybe cyan. File, save, go to browser, refresh. Check this out. For the below marquee text, we are having a background color applied. This is how you can apply a background color if you want. Then I copy this, paste it down. After that, I am going to discuss one more attribute. That attribute is called as width. You can mention the width and height also. You can see that the marquee is taking complete width of the parent. So what I do, I say here width is equal to 50%. File, save, go to browser, refresh. You can see that this marquee resized to 50% of the browser window. And you can see that the marquee is scrolling in that area only. If you want, you can align that to the center. If you want to, you can align that to the right by using the align attribute. But we don't have an align attribute for this. If I say here align align equal to center center, then say file, save, go to browser, refresh. You can see that it's not aligning. If you want to align it to the center or to the left or right, you have to enclose this marquee tag in some other tag which has the align attribute. Like I can use a paragraph tag. I use a paragraph tag, opening paragraph tag. Then I write here closing paragraph tag. File, save, go to browser, refresh. We have a marquee tag. Within the paragraph tag, you can see that paragraph tag has added some space above and below the marquee. Then I am going to say here align equal to center. File, save, go to browser, refresh. You can see that marquee is now aligned to the center. If you want, you can align it to the right. File, save, go to browser, refresh. Hope you guys have understood how you can align a marquee text to the left, right or center by using the P tag. Below that, I am going to copy this content and paste it down and discuss something more about marquee tag. We are going to add few more attributes. Let's add some more attribute. If you want, you can mention the width. As I mentioned, you can also mention the height. So I copy this from here. I paste it here. I mention the height. HEIGHT, height. Height is 50% for this marquee. File, save, go to browser, refresh. You can see that it has took 50% of the browser window and marquee is moving from left to right to left. You can observe that. You can mention if you want the width as well as height according to your requirement what you want. At present I do not want the height, so I am going to remove that. File, save, go to browser, refresh. This is how it looks now. we are going to add an attribute called as behavior. There is an attribute called as behavior, behavior. Behavior equal to, by default the behavior is scroll, scroll, scroll. And if you see file, save, go to browser, refresh, you don't find any change. You can see that the marquee text is moving from right to the left slowly, right? It's moving, no problem. Let's see what happens if I change from scroll to slide, 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 file, save, go to browser, refresh. Now what slide does means it moves the content from right towards left and it stops there. You can see on the left it stops. This is sliding. Slowly it is coming and stopping on the left hand side. That is sliding behavior. Scrolling means it will come back again. Instead of that, we have one more attribute, one more value for the behavior attribute, that is alternate, alternate, alternate. File, save, go to browser, refresh. What alternate does? It moves the content from right to left, left to right. You can see that. So it bounces back. Again, it hits to the right side, goes to the left. This is how the alternate behavior works, guys. I can copy and put everything step by step. Let me put it here. I can say here as a slide. Then I say here scroll, 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 file, save, go to browser, refresh. I can change the background colors if I want for all. YELLOW, yellow. For this I am going to mention the background color as maybe light blue. File, save, go to browser, refresh. You can see that the content is clearly visible now, how the behavior is working. Again, I add a marquee tag down here, paste. I add some breaks. So I write here break tag. I write here also the break tag so that we can get a little bit gap between the marquee tags. File, save, go to browser, refresh. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to discuss about another attribute called as direction. So direction is another attribute. Here I'm going to mention direction. Direction equal to, by default direction is left, left, left. File, save, go to browser, refresh. Left means from right towards left. So direction we have given to the marquee, move towards left. So the marquee is moving to the left. Let's change it to, let me copy this again and paste it. And here I am going to say, instead of left, I say in this place right, R-I-G-H-T, right. File, save, go to browser, refresh. You can see that this text is moving towards right. Right? We have changed the default behavior. Let me paste once again. And I am going to give the different information here. This time I am going to give up. File, save, go to browser, refresh. What is happening here? The marquee text is moving up and down because we have given the alternate behavior. If I give it scroll, file, save, go to browser, refresh, it goes up and comes from the down. That is how it works. Let me give the background color something else. Instead of a light blue, maybe I can give light, L-I-G-H-T, light pink. Maybe we have light pink name. File, save, go to browser, refresh. Yes, you can see that the content is moving up. So this is how you can change the direction. If you want, you can say down, DOWN, down. File, save, go to browser, refresh. You can see that now marquee tag is, text is moving down. Right? It is scrolling also. If you want, you can give slide, SLIDE, slide. File, save, go to browser, refresh. Now what happens? It will slide down and it will stop in this place. You can use the marquee tag to move the content according to your requirement on the browser. Maybe you want continuous movement, maybe you want one shot movement. Let me copy this and paste it down, and I change the color to red. I change this to scroll, 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 and I am going to remove the direction. File, save, go to browser, refresh. Now the marquee text is moving towards left. Of course, I want to change the text color. If I want to change the text color, I'm going to use the font tag, font. Then I mention here color equal to WHITE, white, opening brace. Before closing the marquee tag, I'm going to close the font tag. File, save, go to browser, refresh. You can see that now the text is in white color. You can even move the images. If you want to move images, also you can move. You can use the marquee tag to move an image from right to left and scroll it. If you want to move an image up and down, you can move the image also. Instead of the text, all you need is you need to use the image tag and mention the image name. That's it. This is how you can use the marquee tag. If you want, you can control the speed of movement of the marquee text also. I'm going to copy this content from here. You will see this in browsers. I'm going to copy this and paste it down. This time I'm going to say marquee, BG color is red only. Behavior, I am going to give scroll, okay. I am going to give here height, HEIGHT, height. I am going to give 200 pixels. Then I am going to mention, that's it. Okay, let's take file, save, go to browser and refresh. And I have to mention the direction also. I'm going to mention here direction, DIRECTION, direction equals to up. File, save, go to browser, refresh. Now you can see that this marquee text is moving up. Okay guys, for this tutorial this much is enough. In the next tutorial we get more information on HTML. For more benefits, please subscribe, like, comment and share. See you in the next tutorial. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing.